Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cleaning out the refrigerator and freezer in our garage. We also have a big chest freezer out here, and a couple of months ago the one that we had went out on us, unfortunately. And in the process of transferring everything over to this one, we made quite the mess, as you can see. So thankfully we didn't lose any of our food, but stuff definitely started to thaw out, and there is chicken juice and milk spilled all over the freezer and refroze again, and the refrigerator is just gross and disgusting. I have been putting this off for months, and I'm finally ready to get it cleaned up and reorganized. It's also really hot here today, so I'm hoping I can get this done relatively quickly. Before I get into all of that cleaning though, I did want to let you know that today's video is in collaboration with a friend of mine here on YouTube. Her name is Harleen, and her channel is very, very new. She and I have become friends through a Facebook group that we belong to, and thought that it would be fun to do a collaboration together. And on her channel, you're gonna find lots and lots of cleaning videos. She is also a toddler mama, so she's going to be sharing mommy related content and hauls. Definitely head over there and give her some love when you're done watching this one, and let her know that I sent you. So to get started, I'm just taking everything out of the freezer and also giving my son a push pop. But just going through everything and tossing any items that might be expired or freezer burnt. Thankfully, we just did this a couple of months ago, so there really wasn't too much that I needed to get rid of. To tackle the freezer, I have a bowl filled with really hot water and a little bit of dish soap, and I'm just using a microfiber cloth just to help loosen up and remove the chicken juice and milk that is spilled all over the freezer. Now that that's done, I am just going in with my favorite multi-purpose spray from Method. This is in the lime and sea salt scent, and it is by far my favorite scent that they have. And I'm just spraying everything down and giving it a good wipe down again with just some paper towels to get it nice and clean and dried off. Because I'm wanting to give this a good thorough cleaning, I am also going in and removing all of the parts and pieces that I can, including the shelves and drawers, and spraying those down with the same Method multi-purpose spray just to give those a good cleaning. I had no idea how dirty the handle was. to the refrigerator door. It was disgusting. I don't even know what was in there. Obviously there was a little bit of pollen mixed in with who knows what else. Yeah, you can definitely see how dirty it was in here. I don't even know what that brown stuff is, and there were dead bugs in here. So that was gross. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but I am dripping with sweat at this point. So I am just ready to be done. It is so hot out and I'm finally transferring everything back into the refrigerator. And there's my little helper, as you can see. The last thing that I have left to do is just clean out the door, and this is just where we keep a lot of our beverages, extra water, soda, and like liquor and beer and things like that. So because this is outside where no one really sees it, I don't necessarily care what the exterior looks like, and I don't have any stainless steel wipes or cleaner, so I'm just spraying it down with the same all-purpose spray just to remove the dirt and fingerprints. And here's what it looks like, all finished, nice and clean, no more chicken juice or milk spilled all over. I am so happy with how this turned out. It is so much nicer coming out here and grabbing something if we need it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to head on over to Harlene's channel and check out her fridge cleaning video as well. Bye guys.